Instagram Reels not playing on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are a few quick fixes. In this video, I'll show you how to get Reels working again fast. Let's jump right in. First, check that your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Poor internet is a common reason Reels won't load. Solution 1. Disable Data Saver in Instagram. Instagram has an internal setting that reduces data usage, which can occasionally prevent Reels from loading correctly. Open Instagram on your device and go to your profile. Tap the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down to Data Usage and Media Quality and tap it. Turn off Data Saver and ensure high quality upload is enabled. Solution 2. Check app permissions. Go to Settings on your device and tap Apps. Find Instagram and tap it. Now tap Permissions. Make sure all necessary permissions are enabled, especially storage and network related permissions. Solution 3. Force stop and clear cache Instagram. Hold the Instagram app on your device and a menu will pop up. Then tap App Info. Now tap on Force Stop. After that, tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing this issue. Now reopen the app and check if the Reels are working. That's how you can fix Instagram Reels not playing on Android. If this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for quicker tips. Thanks for watching.